So unless we do this type of shadow work for ourselves, unless we use mindfulness or some other psychotechnology to shine the light of awareness on our lives, unless we do this, the shadows control us. We are under the influence of what we cannot see in our lives. So this is one aspect of mindfulness, is really enlightening all these subconscious patterns that keep controlling us. And they're just below the surface, or sometimes far below the surface of our conscious attention. And mindfulness allows us to start looking beneath that surface. A shadow is any part that I have disowned. It could be a quality that I don't want to associate, that doesn't fit into my ego image, and so I project it outwards, or I push it down, I suppress it into the subconscious. So let's take anger as an example. If I grow up and when I am angry, that behavior is punished, then what I learn is that anger is bad. Anger is ugly. I should not show anger. The anger is suppressed into my body and it doesn't become part of my ego image. I am not an angry person and I use all kinds of strategies to avoid anger. So what happens is I suppress the anger. And with that suppression, I also suppress the energy behind that anger. Anger becomes part of my shadow. I don't admit it into my conscious attention, into my ego image, but the anger and that energy is still there, and it finds other ways of expression. It finds unconscious ways of expression. And often I project it out into the world, pointing my finger saying that, oh, look at how angry everybody is, because I don't acknowledge that anger in myself. And until I stop and I start facing my own shadow, shining the light of awareness, making a U-turn and looking at what is in me, that I start acknowledging the anger that was suppressed, and I find new ways of taking care, embracing, channeling this anger in more creative and healthy ways. Okay? So this is a process of integration, of individuation. Using mindfulness as our main tool, we can hold the contents of the unconscious as we start integrating it.